I'm Caroline Hanna, Associate Curator at Bard Graduate Center and an alum. I'm here with my dad's U.S. Navy flight helmet from 1970, model number APH6A by Sierra Engineering Company, made of fiberglass and lined with styrofoam. It's covered all over with reflective tape. It features a dual visor attachment, internal adjustable headphones, an oxygen mask that would clip in here. As a naval aviator, he flew A-4 Skyhawks. He made over 300 carrier landings on an aircraft carrier just like the Intrepid. By the 70s, he flew for the Naval Reserves. 204, his squadron, was known as the River Rattlers, an apt name for supersonic jets based near the Mississippi. 204 also trained in the Caribbean to be ready for Vietnam. They were never called up. The most dangerous payload this Cold War artifact likely saw were lobsters, picked up on routine training flights to Maine.